right. So for point slope form, sure. Willow, what is point slope?
Like y minus y1 or
Yeah.
y, and then it equals m times x minus x1.
Good. Okay. There is no x2, y2. So we're reviewing this because this will be on your test. Okay. So when I say test, I mean your module 3 test, which is happening on Thursday. Okay. So I know it's Monday, but I'm just telling you, we have one lesson today and one more lesson tomorrow. And then we have finished module 3. So you will have your module 3 test. You will start it on Thursday, finish it on Friday. If you're going on the Gen Wow field trip, then you can ask like your gym class teachers or whoever to come in on Thursday to get an extra class period to work on it. Otherwise, you'll just finish it next week. Okay? Yes. Enough. Moving on. All right, now 4 point. So for yeah, Cleo, we better rethink ourselves today. We're off to a bad start. All right, so point slope form. We are going to try it with a point and a slope, and then try it with 2 points. And then you have to be able to tell me how to do parallel and perpendicular lines with it. It's going to be so fun. All right, so let's try it. All right, so for the first one, let's see. I'm going to let Molly, you want to do 1, 2, 3, or 4? No pressure.
2.
Number 2, okay. So what's the slope? 1/2. All right, Molly, so what would I write for point slope then?
Y minus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 3.
Woo. Okay, all right. But now we got to take that and make it shorter because in the directions, they say they want it in slope-intercept form. Wow, so fun. Daniel, what do we do now? Distribute what?
1/2 to the x and then -2.
Okay, so what does that make, Daniel?
Y minus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 1.
Liam, we good? Okay. Well, stop dying?
No, I saw him.
Breathe air.
Is he okay?
I think he will be. I don't know.
Okay.
You'll leave eventually.
Well, holler if you're dying or something. Alright. Alright, Noah, what do I do now?
Add 4
Add 4 to what?
to the -1.
Okay. I said no dying, Liam.
Only I can do.
So you should get y equals 1/2 x. Everybody, -1 plus 4 is?
3.
Yay! So you should have a plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to do that same process like 6 more times. Woo! So fun. Yeah. Because we have to do with all the different things. Alright, let's see. Mr. Henson!
Hi, Wyatt.
Hi, Wyatt.
Okay, Wyatt.
Which one do you want to do? Alright.
You know why you wrote that?
Alright, Logan said he wanted to do number 1, so let's do it. Mr. Henson did. Okay. Alright, Taylor. How do I write that with that info?
Okay,
Blake, you should be writing this.
y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus
X minus what? Okay. Okay, so then to solve it, what would be the next step? Let's see. Addison, what do we do next? Okay, and what do we get, Addison?
2x minus 8.
Good. Blake, what comes next?
Oh, it's looking like that.
Blake, how would I solve this, please? So Blake, it says y minus 1 equals 2x minus 8. I want it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, right? So I want to get y by itself, right? What's next to my y right now? How do I make it go away? Add it to both. This is why I'm asking you to write all the work down, okay? So do it again, please. Alright, so everybody should have gotten y equals 2x what? Yay! Good. Right, that's what we got? Okay. Alright, so that's how we do it with the point and a slope. Now we're going to make it harder. Now we're going to do it with 2 points. Yay! Yep, 2 points. So with 2 points, what's the first thing you have to find? The slope. And then what can we do? Then we can do point slope form. Okay, so just in case you forget the steps, there you go. Please make sure you're showing all the work because not everybody's doing the math correctly. Just saying, if you're doing it all in your head, okay? Alright, so let's see. I'm going to let Payson, I'm going to let you pick. Do you want to do 5, 6, 7, or 8? No pressure. They're all about the same. 7? Okay. So for 7, we have to do the slope first. So for the slope, okay, Payson, how would I do the slope? Good. Now can you tell me that with those numbers? Okay. Correct. Okay. Focus, please. Liam.
It's like a banana or something.
I don't know. Alright, Cleo. Negative 6 plus 1.
Negative 5.
Okay. And 4 minus 2. Yay. Alright, so we have our slope. Now can we do the rest?
Sure.
Yes. Now we do point slope form, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it matter which point you use?
Not really.
No. It's whichever one you feel like using. But my suggestion is to use the one with smaller numbers, because smaller numbers are easier. Why do big numbers to make it harder? Do little ones. Makes more sense. So I should do y what Piper.
Y plus 1.
Okay?
Oh, wait, do I keep going?
Yep.
Oh, equals negative 5 over 2 times x minus 2.
Good. Liam, Molly, do we need to separate? Because now we're making it a problem.
Well, I already have it.
So? I'm talking about the talking in between you two. I appreciate you have it all written down, but the talking is a problem. Liam. Alright, so let's see. Ben, now what?
Oh, So then you're gonna want to simplify by or distribute. My bad. Distribute. Negative 5 over 2 to x and negative 5 over 2 to negative 2.
And what's that gonna make, Ben?
It's gonna equals y plus 1 equals negative 5 over 2 times x plus negative. Wait a minute. Hold up.
No dying, Matthew. Negative and a negative make a.
Positive.
Okay. So
wait.
5 times 2.
5 plus 5.
Alright. We did it.
Wait, can I just hold it?
No. Alright, Emery, now what?
You subtract 1 from to both sides.
Yay.
I was 5 to be negative 2 times negative 5 over 2 times 5 equal 5.
Because
So-
2 times negative 5 is negative 10 over 2, then you divide that.
Oh, okay.
You multiply the top, divide by the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so everybody should get y equals negative 5 halves x what?
4.
Yay. Having fun?
Okay, you're about to make this horrible.
I would never. State of Florida, sure. Me, Miss Howell, no. Let's see. Jaden, which one you want?
Six.
Alright. Y'all picked the 2 hardest ones. Alright, Jaden, what's the first thing you gotta do?
I need to find the slope by doing negative 4 plus 7
Okay.
over 3 plus 6.
Okay. And then everybody should know negative 4 plus 7 is.
39. Oh, wait.
And then 3 plus 6 is.
9.
And that reduces to
1/3.
1/3. Alright, so our slope is 1/3. Okay. Now for our what do we do next? What do we do next?
Point slope.
Point slope form. There we go. Okay. Let's see. And I'm gonna ask JC, what's point slope form?
Y minus y1 and 9.
Oh, can you pick one of the points and tell me what to write?
Y plus 4 equals 1/3 times x minus 3.
Okay. Alright. Let's see. Olivia, what do I do now?
You distribute the 1/3.
Okay.
1/3 x minus 1.
Yep. So 1/3 x minus 1. Alright, let's see. Who had Willa! Now what?
So you subtract 4 from both sides,
Okay.
and you do, so it's y equals 1/3 x minus 5.
Yay. Hopefully you had a lot more room than Miss Howell did. Alright. So, how are we feeling? Do we need another one, or do we get the idea?
First order there on number 6.
Yeah, what's the first order number 6?
No.
What do you mean no?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You good?
I can't see it.
That's unfortunate.
But like, you know, it's right in front of your face on the paper too.
Alright. So, do we need another one, or are we okay? Okay. Alright. Now, they're gonna make it harder. Yay! I know, you're so excited. Okay? No, it's not. You'll be okay.
Minutes, like 30 minutes until lunch.
Yes. About-ish.
Willa, are you
Okay.
counting down the clock?
Shh. Cleo, Willa. Alright, now what they're gonna do is they're gonna give you an equation, and then they want you to find the line parallel or perpendicular to that using this 1 point. Is this 1 point enough information?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like just the point by itself. No, you have to use information from this equation, right? What part of it are we using? We're using the slope part, okay? Now, for parallel lines, if they're parallel, what kinds of slopes do they have? Same, or congruent, or equal, however you say it. Same slopes. So write that down so we remember. Blake, turn your paper over. Write that down. We want same slopes. So what is our slope in number 9? 2x. So I want that exact same slope. We're not changing it. So now we have the slope and we have a point. What do we do? Point slope form. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, Triton. I haven't called him you. Triton. What is point slope form with that slope and that point?
Y
Memory.
minus plus
Yeah.
1
Okay.
equals 2 x in parentheses
Okay.
plus 4.
Good. Emery, what's the next step?
You would distribute 2
And you get,
and 4.
and you get what?
2x plus 8.
Okay. So y plus 1 equals 2x plus 8. Graham, what's next?
You minus 1 on each side.
Good.
You minus 1 on each side.
Yes, you do, Liam.
Why is there an echo? Graham, what's left?
Y equals 2x plus 7.
Yay. Alright. So is that bad?
I mean,
I'm disappointed. Alright. So is that bad? Yes, no? No? Do we need to see another one? Yes, no? Okay, now, hang on, listen. You have one just like this on your test on Thursday. Okay? You have a test on Thursday. There's going to be one just like that where they're going to give you an equation and they're going to give you a point and they're going to ask you to find the parallel or perpendicular line to that.
I thought you said the test was Friday.
Start it Thursday, finish it Friday. Okay? This way, if you're in a Gen Well, you're fine because you've at least started it.
Am I gonna be a Gen Well? Then that is you.
Go.
Anything where the plus 4 in
Who?
the. It's how. What is your opinion on Starburst with the wrapper on?
Yummy.
I mean, you don't.
Mandated reporter.
Yeah.
We report that. Yellow
Gotta cross your eyes. Like just eating the whole Starburst.
Anyways, back to geometry.
Yellow's the best.
Listen.
Yellow.
Absolutely not.
Yellow and pink are the
Yellow is the
best.
best.
No,
Yellow's the best.
Okay, red and every over here.
You just stack the Starburst.
They're all good, but yellow and pink. Yellow's the best.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so let's go to perpendicular. Okay? Let's see, just for funsies, let's do number 13. Why is Miss Howell picking number 13?
Because it hasn't.
Because it's the hardest.
No,
Yeah.
Because it's on the test.
Huh?
Perpendicular.
because it's not in it's
Kind
not in slope.
It's not in slope intercept form. So take this. What is that in slope intercept form?
Y equals negative x minus 5.
So I'm going to put the -1 just because. Okay. So, if they want perpendicular, let's refresh our brains. Perpendicular lines have what kinds of slope?
Opposite reciprocal.
Good. Go, Liam. They have opposite reciprocal slopes. What does that mean? Good. You flip the sign and the fraction. But wait a minute. Do we have fractions? No. Can whole numbers still be fractions? Yeah. You just put a what under it? A 1. So, what is our slope going to be for this problem? It's not -1. It's going to be good. So we're going to use m equals a +1. Okay. And then let's see. I'm going to call on Logan.
Yes, Logan.
What's point slope form with all those numbers in it?
I'm pretty sure it's y minus 3 equals 1 times x minus 7. But technically it's just x minus 7.
Don't ruin it yet. Don't ruin it. Sheesh.
Ruin it.
Alright, yeah, don't ruin it yet. Alright, now, let's see. If we have a 1 on the outside for distributing, do you really need to do all the math?
Absolutely. Unless
Do you really need to know?
I did the math.
You did the math? Okay, what'd you get? What'd you get, Liam?
Oh, I did. I got y minus 3 is equal to x minus 7.
Okay, so does it change anything when you multiply it by 1?
Yeah, it got rid of the 1.
No.
Yeah, got rid of the one.
Yeah.
Oh, and the parentheses.
Oh, there you go. I put the 1 back. Boom. Okay, so all it does, it gets rid of the parentheses, but it didn't change any of your numbers, so please keep that in mind. Now, what would be the next step? Payson.
Add 3.
Your name's not Payson.
Mm.
Oh.
Add 3 to what?
You would add 3 on both sides and it would equal 1x plus, or not, minus 4.
Good. So we're gonna get y equals 1x minus 4. Yay. Alright, questions about that one? What's up?
Will it be wrong if you don't put the 1?
No.
But if you put the 1, will it count it wrong?
It's multiple choice for that one.
Like on the, no, I'm talking about state test. Do you think they count it wrong if you put the 1?
They shouldn't, no. Because it's just an alternate form of the correct answer.
Okay.
What if it's graded by AI?
It's not.
But if it was like multiple choice, it would probably just say y equals x minus 4.
Yeah. Alright, now. This is the hardest type of question. Okay? Now, this will not be on your test on Thursday. But there is a slim chance it could be on your EOC, so I'm still going to show it to you. If you happen to remember it for your EOC, awesome sauce. If you don't, that's fine. It's just one question. We'll move on with our lives and you'll be fine. Okay?
What if
So,
every question is this?
huh?
What if every question is
It won't be. This is a very, very small thing. Like parallel and perpendicular stuff, it's one whole standard out of like the 30 that's on there. So you'll be fine. Alright, now, I want you to pay attention to like 2 very important words. Look at what Miss Howell is highlighting. What did Miss Howell highlight?
Perpendicular bisector.
Okay, we have learned what both of those words mean. Okay? Yes, you have. Let's start with the word bisector. What does bisector mean? Split it in half. Okay. So, it says that AB has a perpendicular bisector called line L. Okay, question. Have you learned a formula of how to find like a bisector essentially of a line?
It's like 1/2.
Maybe.
Willow?
Midpoint formula.
The midpoint formula. Guess what we're gonna do first?
Midpoint formula.
The midpoint formula.
x1 plus x2 over like, and then
Yep.
y plus, just x2 plus x.
So-
X2 plus x2 and y2 plus y2 whatever.
No, it's fine. Shh, Leon. Thank you. So for a midpoint formula, this is essentially where you're just finding the average of your points, okay? So you are taking the x's and you're going to add them and then divide by 2. And then take your y's, add them, and divide by 2. That is all we're doing for this step. Nothing super fancy, okay? So for midpoint, I should get something kind of like, let's see. So the x's would be -1 plus 5, right? Right.
Maybe.
Okay, and what are the y coordinates?
-2.
And? So it's like 4 minus 2, or 4 plus -2 if you want to get fancy.
What about 2 minus, or -2 plus 4?
Same thing. So what is -1 plus 5?
4.
4 divided by 2? 2. What's 4 minus 2? 2 divided by 2?
1.
Alright, so our midpoint is 2, 1. Okay, in other words, this is the point that line L is going to be crossing through. Okay, so like if you take A and B, you see how they gave you this graph right here? What do you think you should probably do?
Mark.
Okay, graph that. So let's graph A and B. So -1 and 4. That's A. I'm graphing A and B.
Oh.
And then B is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -2. And then you kind of want to connect those. So there's AB, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then our midpoint is at 2 and 1. So if our midpoint's at 2, 1, I'm going to go 2, 1. Does that kind of look in the middle-ish of our segment?
Yes.
Okay, so then we probably have it right so far. But there was another word that Miss Howell highlighted. What was the other word? Perpendicular. Guess what? I need the perpendicular line that goes through this. Okay? Is the point just enough to figure out the perpendicular? No. What do you also need?
The slope.
Oh, we need the slope. So you see the slope? Do we see this line AB?
Yeah.
Can you find the slope of that?
Maybe.
Yes. So that's next step. Uh-huh. So I need the slope of AB. So you can either use the graph and find the slope or do the slope formula. I don't really care. It's what? Okay, so Todd says it's -1. Athena also says -1. So again, you can go from the graph. It's down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Or you can do the equation. The equation would be, what is it? -2 minus 4 over 5 plus 1. So -6 over 6 or -1. So again, either using the graph or doing the math, your choice, okay? So from there, okay, we have the slope. We have the midpoint. But whoa. Miss Howell said it's the, what was this word again? Oh, do I use that slope? No. There you go. You have to flip it. So I don't want -1, I want +1. So now, do you have all the information to do point slope form? Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Matthew, what is point slope form with all of that info?
Y minus
What's the y value?
1
Okay.
equals 1 parentheses x minus 2.
Yay. Okay, now we gotta make parentheses go away and get y by itself. Alright. So let's see. Noah, now what?
Just distribute the 1 to the x to the negative
What does it make, Noah?
2. Y minus 1 equals 1x or x minus 2.
Yay. Okay, Olivia, what's the last step?
You add 1 to both sides.
Good. So we should end up with y equals 1x minus 1. And that would be your final all done answer of getting this, finding this midpoint and then finding your equation, which would allow you to finish graphing the line. Should look like this. And this would be line L. Okay. So again, there is not a question like this on your Module 3 test, but it could still potentially be on your EOC. So there you go. Now we have it. Again, if you remember it, cool. If not, also fine. It's one question. It won't kill you. Who's ready for homework?
Yay!
Yay! All right, then hand out your homework.